You know exactly what to eat. You're just not doing it. Every Monday you start strong. By Wednesday, back to the drive-thru. Then another diet app is deleted, another gym membership wasted. Here's what nobody's telling you. Your cravings, your exhaustion, your anxiety, they're all connected. Fix your gut without fixing your sleep, you'll fail. Work out without managing stress, you'll end up frustrated and quit. You don't need willpower. You need a system, one that will reset your cravings in 72 hours. Rebuild strength in 10-minute sessions. Finally sleep through the night, 10 minutes a day, zero guesswork. That is how Marcus dropped his A1C from 8.2 to 5.6 inches 90 days. Jennifer lost 34 pounds and ditched her meds. Patricia is sleeping 7 hours straight for the first time in years. The platform that does this, Triad Longevity Academy, led by a lifestyle medicine physician, gives you everything, less than your daily coffee. Click below, take the 3-minute health assessment. Get your personalized plan. Your body's been waiting for this. Stop starting all over every time. Start finishing.